Hello, friends. This is Barbara with the Budget Kitchen, and today we are having chili mac. And honestly, this is not what I was going to start out with. I wanted to make taco mac, but this girl did not have any canned tomatoes, the Rotel can of tomatoes. So, yeah, I was really sad about that, okay? But I found a can of chili with no beans. I'm like, okay, well, guess I know what I'm making now. You know, did you ever think of when you were born that you were going to have to come up with recipes for 365 days of your life and figuring what are you making for supper for the husband and for the family? I tell my friends that they just laugh, but it's kind of like a reality sometimes. I mean, once in a while we do go out to eat. Okay, friends, first thing you're going to do is you're going to start frying that hamburger. And I also want you to start boiling water for your macaroni and cheese, okay? For the hamburger, boil the water, cook your macaroni and cheese as the directions on the back of the box, okay? But with this hamburger, I want you hit it with some garlic and onion powder. I don't have any onion because normally, I would be slamming that heavy with some onion. Don't forget, let's do the pepper. Okay, in addition to any of your favorite spices, you go ahead and you add that, okay? Make it yours. Okay, the noodles are done. The hamburger is done. I'm going to start off with putting some milk in here. And a cheese packet. So I like to make the cheesy stuff first rather than throw the noodles in there and then throw everything on top of the noodles. Okay, turning on my stove. Yeah, this will all break down. Just thought it would have did it in colder milk. But we're going to get this all mixed up. All right, now we're going to do a half a stick of butter. Okay, we're going to let that melt. Okay, see how creamy that is? The butter is almost all melted. I think I'm going to throw a little bit more milk in there. Now, go ahead and add your chili. Any kind of chili you like. Beans, no beans. Any kind of brand, whatever it is you like. Because sometimes we just got what we got in the kitchen and we got to modify things and just make it make. That's what today's all about. Make it make. Okay, look at that bubbling. Now you're going to stir the chili into the sauce. Now I know there is meat in there, but I took out hamburger today because I was making something with hamburger. Looks like this is what it is, chili mac. And honestly, who doesn't like more meat? Okay, now let's also throw our noodles in there. Let's get them all. And then giving that a mix also. That come together really good. Oops, sorry guys. That thing's just moving around in here. Oh no. Don't really know if that's going to stay, but here we go. So I have some the box cheese. Get that in there. Just, you know, however much cheese you like. I am not going to throw a lot in there, as you can see, because we already had a cheese packet in there. Now let's get that stirred up. Perfect. So I did have a tomato. This is like maybe a quarter to a half a tomato. Let's get that in there. And then we're going to let that cheese melt. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. I think that looks pretty good. There, try to put a little bit more light. Okay. So I did make a little bowl. I don't know, tomato. I have just had a taste for like cheese and tomatoes today. It is hot. Oh, that, you know, this is just, it's so simple, but yet so good. I really, really am enjoying this. So I'm glad I made it. I'm glad I made it. So thank you for being here with me today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And most of all, friends, just keep cooking, okay? And I love you all.